Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to edit your Behance profile. First, log into your account. Once in, on the top right, click on your profile icon and go to your Behance profile section. Now in here, click on this edit profile info on the left side. Then, first thing, you can go and change your name, like your first name and last name. You can also add in a headline, like a title for yourself. Then you can also add your company, as well as your location and your website URL. Now, you can also go and replace your profile image. So just go and choose one that you would want for your Behance profile, crop it, and save. Now, you can go to the work experience section. Here, you can go and add one. So just go and state your current position, and also you can add your education, awards, and other languages, as well as your skills and personal statement, so that you will be able to fully introduce yourself as well as what you can offer. Now, going back, here, you can also join a team. Just go and add or search for the team name, and then it will show here. So just go and select the team that you want to join. Now, on the web sections, here, you can connect your accounts on different social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and such. So just go ahead and connect to them or add your username. Now, to the About Me section, here, you can change its title if you want to, and then you can add a description for yourself describing who you are and what you can offer. And last, you can also go to links. Here, you can add a link title. For example, you want to add in your blog link, so you can just go and name it as blog, and also add in your URL and click the add button. Now, you can go and add a custom section if you'd like to. Through this, you can maximize the feature to fully introduce yourself so that you will attract more clients. And that's just basically it. You can now go back to your profile, and then you will see the changes you have made to your profile. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.